Hey guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a Kim Kardashian inspired look. I did the look that Mario did on her for the Met Gala. I thought she looked absolutely stunning and I really wanted to recreate it. So there's what I came up with, and if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to use the MAC 286 brush with my Butter Bronzer as my transition shade. I'm just putting that all in the crease just to have a little bit of definition, but I don't want anything too crazy because whenever I look at the pictures it didn't look like anything too intense. And then I'm going to take my Becca highlighter in Opal and put that in my inner corner and in my brow bone, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics 10 brush. I'm going to get the Shade and Light palette and I'm going to use the shade Finición. And I'm just going to use my finger and just pat that right all over my lid just to have an even base on my lid. And then I'm just going to grab a black eyeliner and tightline my whole eye. So right on my lash line, on the bottom and the top and the inner corner, because she has black all the way through. And I'm just going to use the liquid liner by Tarte. It's the Tartiest, and I'm using the liquid side. There's a pencil and a liquid side. I'm just doing a really pretty thick wing, like a cat eye, and I'm doing it pretty roughly because I'm going to smoke it out later on with a pencil brush and some black eyeshadow. But this is pretty much like my rough draft, just to have a pretty good base. And then I'm going to use the pencil brush by BH Cosmetics. It's the 105 brush. I'm using just any black eyeshadow. I used the one from Too Faced with the semi-sweet chocolate bar. It's called Licorice. And I'm just smoking that out. And by that same palette, I'm using the shade Muse and putting those two together on my Morphe M432 brush and just putting that on my lower lash line. And I'm doing that just to have like a transition shade at the bottom so it won't be as dramatic, just going straight to black and nothing else. And I'm also just winging out that liner a little bit more just to create it more of a cat eye effect. And now I'm bringing that black eyeshadow right in where my lash line is. And also bring it into my inner corner. I'm just adding a little bit more of that liner in my inner corner and wherever I felt like it kind of faded away. Taking the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette with the shade Naked 2. And I'm just using the Lexi 207T brush and putting that right in the outer corner of my crease just to create a little bit more depth. And now I'm curling my lashes and I'm going to coat them with mascara. And I'm actually going to coat them quite a few times. I usually don't if I'm using falsies, but this time I wanted them to be a little bit more intense since that's how her lashes were. I'm using the Cocoa lashes. And I always apply from the middle, then to the outer corner, and then the inner corner. I'm just coating them with mascara. Usually I wouldn't because I want to preserve the lashes, but this time I felt like I needed to. So this is the final look. I'm just going to change and do my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll put all my social media links down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, chicos.